Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel, and this week's video is going to be extremely different. I look a hot mess today. I tried out a $2 eyeliner from e.l.f. and as you can see, it's absolutely terrible. Like I bet you if I go like that, it'll wipe off. It wiped off. Anyways, I was testing it out today to see if I liked it. This is a full day of me wearing makeup that I'm testing out. I usually do that when I don't really go anywhere. I just test out a bunch of makeup. But anyways, this week's video is going to be a get unready with me. So I'm gonna go over my skincare and get ready for bed. I'm exhausted. I've been up since early this morning. So let's get started. Take my contacts out, and after I do this, I go into the bathroom and I take a shower and I take my makeup off. I will show you guys the products I use, but I ain't about to let y'all see me in the bathroom for free. So I'll be back when I'm done getting ready. All right, y'all. So I just finished my shower and my skin is looking rough. So hear me out. I've been trying these new products and I would say that they're breaking me out. So this happened overnight. So this one here happened overnight. I tried out this serum from Dollar Tree and the ingredients seemed promising. So I shop ingredients and not brands. So what I mean by that is I don't buy a product because it's popular because of the brand. So I'm not gonna buy La Mer because it's La Mer. I'm gonna buy La Mer because I've read the ingredients and I like the ingredients it has. Because I find that if you shop the ingredients that work well with your skin, you can find really cheap alternatives to it. And I'm all about saving money at the end of the day. See, now there's some products, like I said, that like Tatcha, I'm gonna waste money on Tatcha. I love Tatcha, I love their products, I love their ingredients, and I personally believe it's worth the money. So in my shower, not in my shower. All right, so first step when I go to remove my makeup is I do a double cleanse, and I start off with the Tatcha cleansing oil. I love this stuff. If you've ever tried the Clinique, what is it called? The removing balm, that really thick, oil-based, makeup remover balm. I love that stuff. The only thing is I'm super oily and it doesn't lather off. It'll stay on your skin, and even with a double cleanse, after a cleanse after it, I still feel the film of that product. I don't get that with the Tatcha cleansing oil. That's why I love this stuff. As soon as you put water on it, it emulsifies and it's just gone. But it still takes the makeup with it. So I use this first in the shower, which it's hard, so I have to do this thing before I get in the shower where you're supposed to put on your face dry. So I take showers, so I pump a couple pumps on my hand. Before I get in, I massage it on my face because you're supposed to have it dry. So I'm outside of the shower rubbing my makeup off, and then I can't see, so I'm blind getting in the shower. Anyways, the only reason I'm telling you this because Mike found me once and I'm just naked outside the just trying to take my makeup off. Oh man. Anyways, so after the cleansing oil, I rinse that off and everything. I've actually been trying the Milk Makeup, it's so bright, the Milk Makeup cleanser. So when COVID started last March-ish, when we started locking down and stuff, this had came out not too long before. So I was looking at it, I was I want to try it out or what. I really like it. If you like a really, it's all natural, not all natural, but it's a clean brand, so it doesn't have fragrance or sulfates or silicones and stuff like that, so it's not super stripping. But this reminds me a lot of the Origins Checks and Balances face wash, where it suds up amazing with that, but the only difference is this does not have eucalyptus extract in it, so it doesn't smell like that mentholy, but like, I guess, you know, that's good because you don't really want fragrance on your face anyways. So my next step is actually toner. I'm not gonna do like a clay mask or anything today. Like I did one 2 days ago. I really want to do a hydrating mask today, so like a sleeping mask. But anyways, I do need to go get more toner. As you can see, look at that. I literally have the littlest bit left. I don't know if I like it 100%. Like I feel like I didn't get a lot of breakouts. I still broke out, you know? So it's the Glow Recipe Watermelon BHA. You know, it's got lactic acids in it, and it's also got the cactus water, stuff like that. So like it's really good for resurfacing. It's really good for pore minimizing, and it's really good for hydrating and repairing as well. It's also got aloe in it. So like, you know, I love lactic acids. I love things with like cactus water, aloe in it, stuff like that. So I thought it was gonna be bomb, which it's good. Maybe it's just because like I'm used to using such strong products that now that I switched to like products that aren't so strong, that like my skin's getting used to it, I guess. Anyways, this is not a clean product, but hear me out. This is Ole Henriksen. Like I lived by this stuff when I worked for Sephora. Not this one specifically, but just the brand in general. Like they're really good for like kits and stuff for skincare and getting people started with stuff. But I remember like so many people loved this. It's got it's multivitamin and rosehip. It does have dimethicone in it, and we know how I feel about dimethicone in my skin. Maybe that's contributing to my breakouts a little bit. I don't know yet. We're gonna give it another week. I got this one on sale again. Like it moisturizes nice. It doesn't feel too heavy on my face, but who knows? I gotta give it a little bit, but I do need to go and get like my basics again. Like I love the Youth to the People night cream. Like, oh, that stuff is like bomb. Anyways, here we go. Rub that all in. Get the eyebrows. The eyebrows. Alright. My favorite part is eye cream. We all know I'm obsessed with Tatcha. I use the Silk Peony. I was actually talking about the Silk Peony in my last video where I was saying I got it in that huge kit with the full size. So it came with this full size. It came with the full size primer, and it came with 3 sheet masks for less than half the price it would have been if I bought all those separately. So I had to buy it. I love this eye cream so freaking much. It's good for like my eczema that I have on my eyelids. Sometimes I get like really patchy, you know. I know that like a lot of people like don't put their eye cream over their eyelids, and like I get why, you know, like it's not meant for over the eyelids, but like also like I really don't care. I like to put it on my eyelids. I'm gonna moisturize my lips. So there's this girl I used to work with who literally is one of my favorite people in the whole wide world. And I miss working with her. But anyways, she recommended, you can't even see the name anymore. But this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter chapstick. And it looks like a freaking glue stick. And she used to wear this stuff almost every day. I believe every day. And I was always like, dang, that looks so like hydrated. Like it looks good. Like what is it? And I couldn't find it for the longest. And then I found it at my local Wegmans in like a little teeny section. So I've been stocking up on these things ever since. You know when you're doing your skincare and your lips just feel like ashy? Like real ashy. All right, next step is we're gonna go in with the F-Bomb. I actually really like this stuff. It helps with repairing. It's got ceramides in it, vitamin F in it. Vitamin F actually helps. So we have ceramides already in our body. And vitamin F helps stimulate that area so you can produce more vitamin F, which helps produce more ceramides, which just helps protect your skin and your moisture barrier and all that good stuff. I do a bunch of it all over. Yes, I know I say all the time, like, I'm super oily, I'm super oily. But when I have like breakouts because I'm trying different products, I actually will use this thick layer of an F-bomb overnight, and I wake up and my skin is like not red, not irritated. It's just nice repaired, and you know, I have like I'll have like a bump or two, but like it's not irritated anymore. Like, I just really love the way it makes my skin look and feel in the morning. I also love freaking night masks because I'm lazy. I hate sitting there for 15 minutes and then having to go wash it off, and then your face is feeling like chalk. So we're going to go in with the Laneige, the Laneige Eye Sleeping Mask. I love this stuff so freaking much. When I first bought it, I used it every night, and then I looked it up, and it's like, you don't really want to use it every night, and I was just like, ooh, okay. Okay, so the Eye Sleeping Mask has this wand at the bottom. It's ceramic, and it's super cooling, and it just feels so freaking good. And I like to massage it in here to help just depuff this whole area. Now we're gonna put a little bit on the other side. And like, I find like one wand worth just seems like so much, but it is like a face mask. So like, I'm always like a sleeping mask. So I'm like, you know, you want a lot. And this like skincare routine is definitely like my, you know, you've tried a bunch of crazy ass products for the past 3 weeks. Now like, you need to like fix the mess you created on your face. I will go in and I will pat this in as well. I will say like some of my go-to brands are definitely Glow Recipe, even though it does have a heavy fragrance in their products. It is still considered clean. And I love Laneige's, ew. I love the products from Laneige. Their thermal water is so bomb, like their moisturizer cream. And then I also am obsessed with Tatcha, but we all know that. So after I've got all those on, you know, we moisturized, we washed our face, we toned, we've got our moisturizers on, we got our eye creams on, we're looking nice and juicy. I love nighttime mists, like not sleeping mists, but like skincare setting sprays. I feel like when I set my face with like a skincare setting spray, you know, like the Caudalie one is like my go-to. Like, I love that stuff. Like, that stuff is my favorite. But I don't have any more right now, and I wanted to give this a try anyways. It is for like dry skin, and like my dry girls that worked with me at Sephora, like they love this stuff. Like, if you're textured and dry, like it's so good. But it makes you really shiny. Like, anytime I wear it, Mike's like, you're like really, really shiny. Like, he walks in and he just laughs because it's like that shiny. Probably doesn't help that I put so much though. That is it, y'all. This is me looking hydrated. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video that I did. It is a little different. I do like skincare a lot, just as much as I love makeup. So I think I will be trying to do more skincare, and I am going to be restocking a bunch of like my faves, like my night creams and toners and stuff like that, and different face masks that I like. So I'll be reviewing those for you guys as well, even though I already love them. I'm gonna show you what I love. But anyways, I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll make sure to also leave all my social media down below. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.